Welcome back to Sharebility Uganda EDU Tech, your #1 destination for free educational resources and exam preparation materials in Uganda. Today, we're excited to bring you the PRE-PLE Examinations Set 2 2025, a powerful mock paper designed to help Primary 7 learners gear up for the real PLE. This set covers key subjects and question styles similar to what you'll face in the actual exams. Grab your pen, notebook, and let's get started. Watch attentively, pause the video whenever you need time to think. Write down each question, attempt it on your own, and then compare with the solutions as we go through them together. This active practice method is the best way to sharpen your skills, build confidence, and boost your performance. Let's dive in and make this revision session count. And that's the complete walkthrough of the PRE-PLE Examinations Set 2 2025. How did you perform? Keep practicing consistently. You're getting stronger with every paper. If this video helped you in your revision, please hit the like button, share it with your classmates and teachers, and don't forget to subscribe to Sharebility Uganda EDU Tech for more past papers, mock exams, solutions, and tips to ace your PLE. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Keep pushing. Future leaders of Uganda, success is just ahead. See you in the next video. Bye for now.